Hello kids, we are going to draw a cartoon, a famous cartoon named as a Goofy. We are going to draw a cartoon with the help of shapes and lines. Now we are going to draw one straight line, one more straight line, equal, it should be equal. Now one small curve connecting to the standing line, one small curve again on a second line, one big curve touching from the one point to another point, one curve. Now from this point, one dot and one more dot downside, it should be straight, and one more curve, same thing here, one dot, two dot, it should be equal. You can measure it with your scale, one curve touching towards downside. Now again one dot, two dot, at the same line, one curve touching towards that point, one more curve touching towards the same point, and from this point to this point, one curve. Now again one straight line coming inside, again one straight line coming inside, one dot at the center, one curve touching to the center point, again one curve touching to the center point. Now again one dot, two dot, one more curve, and one oval shape, make it dark. Now again one oval shape inside, little bit far away so it cannot touch the nose, it is eyes. Again one oval shape and one small oval shape specifying the lens. Again one more oval shape specifying the lens, and small two curves as an eyebrow. Now from first standing line to second standing line, we have to make it one curve, one small curve touching from the first dot to another. Now come downside touching towards a straight line there, again standing line, slipping line, standing line, same thing here, standing line, slipping line, standing line. This is a teeth. Now from the end part of the teeth to the starting part of the teeth, make it one curve, it should not be deep, one more curve from the starting point to end point, one more curve. This is a lips, this is a mouth, this is a chubby cheeks. Now one more wave line, one, it going up, it going down, it going up, this is a tongue. Now we are going to make it a hairs of the Goofy, one slanting line, one curve line, which is coming inside, again slanting line touching to the same point. Now again one slanting point going towards opposite side, one curve, again come inside and go to the other point. This is a hair of the goofy. Now a cap of the goofy is one curve, two curve and one more curve which is touching to the both end, and one small standing curve and standing. That's the small head of the goofy. This is the collar, this is the neck of the goofy, one curve and one more curve. This is the shoulder of the goofy, one curve lying towards downside, one more curve lying towards downside. Here your goofy is ready. Kids, enjoy your drawing with lines and shapes, and do subscribe our channel Education Plus Art.